Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Today, guys, we're out at the baseball field or something like that. This is the same place. I'm going to be honest, the past two videos that I've recorded, I have two videos that are going to be going up. One on the bullet antenna, one on the tonneau cover. This is going to be going out after those because I want you guys to be able to refer back from this video to check out the review of the tonneau cover, to check out the review of the bullet antenna, as well as I'm going to put some other little minute little teeny tiny reviews inside of this video, so go ahead and stay tuned, of course. Alright, so this is going to be a full overview of what I've done to the truck so far. We're almost about 2 months in with owning it, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into those. Obviously, the first thing here is the bullet antenna. I showed this in the review. If you want to see that review, go ahead and click it down below if you haven't already seen that. Links will be down below for anything in this video as well, so if you want to check that out. The vinyl wrap that I have on here, the tonneau cover, the vinyl on the back, plasti dip, anything like that, go ahead and just click the link down below. There'll be just links down in the description for you to check them out. So now let's jump right into the front here. This is where, this is one of the biggest things that I wanted to do to the truck when I first got it, is I did a vinyl wrap on this. It's not the best. I'm not sure how well you can see it. It doesn't look bad from afar or even up close. You can't really tell unless you're looking down on it almost. You can kind of see a little bit of gold. Overall, it's not that bad. So, like I said, the bullet antenna, which is probably one of my favorite upgrades that I was going to do before I even got the truck, no matter what color I got or anything like that, I was going to do. Another thing that I did, obviously, was the window tint. I was saying in my original video, if you did see that one, in the original truck video, that I was going to be doing the tint. So I actually did get that done. It cost me $100 for this front too, just to match them, and I think it came out absolutely fantastic. You can see here, once I get like the wheels and tires, the level, the lift, whatever I'm going to end up doing with it, it's going to look so good. So the tint was just kind of something that I wanted, both for the actual factor of people not being able to see me, as well as the factor of it keeping the sun out, because it gets so damn hot in this truck. So that really does help. Plus just the aesthetic look of it is fantastic. I'm kind of going for a black and gray, as you can tell. It's not quite there, but working on it. So the next thing is the Silverado Badges. You can see my truck's real dirty. I have to give her a bath. Maybe I'll do that when I get home after these videos. But yeah, so the Silverado, I did that in plasti dip. I didn't do glossifier on it. I just did the matte black for now. I might glossifier it later on, but for now, I haven't done it. This 4x4 sticker is still here. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. It's a little bit like one of these. Let me know what you guys think down below. Then we got the Silverado here in the back as well, in the matte, as well as this side, the LT, and here in the middle, again, we have this this bow tie done just the same. Here's the tonneau cover that I was showing you. It is a Gator tonneau cover, which you can find on Amazon. The link is down below, so make sure you check that out. Also check out the review of it if you want to see that, or if you have any questions about that. So here's the truck from the back now. Looks pretty good with the blacked out badges and the chrome trim on that. Put a little Yee sticker on here. Shout out to Granger Smith on that one. Anyway, top in the back. In the back, on the inside, all we've done so far is, can you see it? WeatherTech floor mats, front and back. I think those were $200. Again, ordered these off Amazon. 2-day shipping was fantastic. You guys can go ahead and order those as well. The link will be in the description for those. I definitely recommend them because you can just see, this one's a little bit messed up, falling out. You can just see how dirty they are. And I just cleaned these things not long ago, so my truck definitely is in need of a bath. But like I said, I did the WeatherTech front and back. So I have that coverage on the front as well as the back. And let's swing here into the front. In the front here, you can see, again, the WeatherTech. The one thing that's super nice, I don't know if you can see it. The one thing that's super nice about these WeatherTech floor mats in the front is that they have these little locking things in the driver's seat so they don't slide, whereas the passenger seat, they do slide, which kind of sucks. And then jumping into the front here, we do have the bow tie on here done as well, just kind of match it. And like I said, I'm going for the black, gray, and then a little bit of silver, chrome-ish color, which is probably going to change because, like I said, the future updates for this truck, we're getting rid of this. All this chrome is going color match because this is, I'm not having it anymore. I'm tired of it. And then front is coming up. at least, if I don't end up lifting it, but I'm probably not. I'm probably just gonna level it and put some beefier tires on it for now, and just do kind of like a more modest build, because one thing that I notice a lot about people on YouTube is they go so overboard. They do these insane builds, and it's like, people can't afford that, man. Like, it's so unrelatable. Like when I'm watching videos, like I can't afford to go do a 12-inch lift on this in like with like 37s or 40-inch tires. Like, I can't do that. Most people can't do that. So I want to try and kind of keep it more simple, more relatable, let you get into those parking garages and kind of have something that's more relatable for you guys, because that's what I'd like to see, is some stuff that's more relatable rather than people just cranking up their trucks super high, putting all this crazy paint and all this stuff into it, hundreds of thousands of dollars. Most people don't have money to do that, so it's hard to relate to that. So I think I kind of want to do that and make it more relatable content for you guys, and kind of help you guys think about things that you might want to do for your truck in the future. So like I said, if you guys have any questions about anything that's in this video, there is a review on both the bullet antenna and on the tonneau cover in the description. You guys can go check that out. And if you guys have any other questions, or you want any reviews on anything else, or have any questions about the truck, anything else that I have inside the truck or have done to the truck, let me know. I can either make a video for it if it's something that yields a video, or if it's just something that you have a question, I can just reply to your comment. But yeah, that's about it. Make sure you like this video. Do not leave the video without clicking a like, because it helps me grow, helps people find the channel, helps people build this community that we're trying to get going here. On top of the fact that there's a plane going overhead, and that I will be able to see that I did a good job on the video, and that you guys enjoyed the content that was put out in the video. Of course, make sure you subscribe to save the video future content, guys. That's about it. Peace.